Radio.org.
Here are the 8 a.m. weather observations from around
8:14 a.m. Speech off.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Newton County in north-central Georgia, east central Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, southern Walton County in north-central Georgia, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. At 8:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Conyers, Covington, Social Circle, Oxford, Porterdale, Walnut Grove, Newborn, Mansfield, Jersey, Brickstore, Starsville, Almond, Gum Creek, Herndonville and Ebenezer. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 8 a.m. in Atlanta, light rain was falling. 70 degrees, dew point 68, relative humidity 93%. Wind east at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 20.
Speech on.